Yes, in continuation with the previous video on IELTS exam. So, in the previous video, I was talking about listening and the reading section. So, in this video, we'll talk about writing and the speaking section. Even again, I'll stress speaking section will be conducted separately, maybe on the same day or some other day. The task one in writing would be like an interpretation task. So we'll be given with a graph or a pie chart or bar chart, some kind of a plot where we have to interpret it. Let us talk about the trend in that particular graph. For this, the best thing you can do to start with is search for some samples which is already graded by examiners or any samples. Look at that graph and how they've interpreted it, and that sample will help us to um, work on anything else that is given new. Okay, and look into the word count also. And the second one is a long essay where we will be given the topic. Either we have to support or oppose it, or maybe you have to comment on both sides of it as well. So for this, try to have three paragraphs of sure, like first introduction, second is what you want to talk mainly, and last one is like your conclusion. You can also paste your answer, like your sample answer in ChatGPT or something, and ask it to rate, and it will give a detailed like analysis and even a score for you, from which you can always improve. Yes, that will happen. For the speaking test, they will start with general conversation, like where are you coming from, which is your place, like normal conversation. So don't give one word answers like I come from Chennai, I come from this place. Say like I come from Chennai, nearby the coast, something like that. So it'll be nice, like a casual talk. Yeah, that after that, just after that, you will be given with a small topic, and you will be given 1 minute to think about that topic. After that 1 minute, you have to talk for another 1 or 2 minutes. You will be given with a pencil and a notepad to write down some points in that 1 minute to think about it, and you can jot down few points and refer it while speaking. And then again, after you speak for that 1 minute, your general conversations just continues. The examiner would again ask some questions based on your answers. Like, just you I mean you, in speaking, don't focus on the like how accurate, validate you don't have to validate so much of your content, but try to put some vocabulary. Even in writing and in speaking, try to introduce some vocabulary. Don't repeat the words, and that's what would be the best thing to do.